Next example is if x raised to m into y raised to n. If x raised to m into y raised to n is equal to x plus y raised to m plus n. X plus y raised to m plus n. Then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Now options are, we have to give an option first a, y upon x, second option minus y upon x, third option x upon y, and fourth option is minus x upon y. Okay. Now these type of examples are very simple. Now if we have to ask these type of examples, instead of m and n, we can take any constant term. We can write here x raised to p into y raised to q equal to x plus y raised to p plus q, or we can take constant term for m and n like this, x raised to 5 into y raised to 7, then we can write x plus y raised to 12 or 5 plus 7. If we take derivative for this type of equations, then we get value for dy by dx is always y by x. Keep in mind, the answer for these type of examples is y by x, that is value for dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Okay. If we solve this equation by taking log on both sides and using logarithmic differentiation, then finding derivative, we get value for dy by dx is y upon x. Okay. Now we see next example here. If sec of x plus y, if sec of in bracket x plus y upon x minus y equal to a, x minus y is equal to a, then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Now we can write here options. Option first a, y upon x, y upon x. Option b, minus y by x. Option c, x upon y, and option d, minus x upon y. Okay, we have to solve this equation and we have to find derivative, that is value for dy by dx. Therefore we can write here this equation like this. We can take sec to the other side, it's become inverse function, that is we get x plus y upon x minus y is equal to sec inverse of a. Sec inverse of a is a constant term, therefore we can write sec inverse of y is equal, sec inverse of a is equal to k. Okay, then we can write x plus y equal to k into x minus y. And now this differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of y dy by dx equal to k into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of y dy by dx. That is 1 plus dy by dx, take product here, k into 1 k minus k into dy by dx. Now take terms of dy by dx to the LHS, that is dy by dx, this term become plus here, plus k into dy by dx, which is equal to k minus 1. That is, take dy by dx common, in bracket 1 plus k is equal to k minus 1. That is dy by dx is equal to k minus 1 upon k plus 1, this term. Now put value for k here, k is equal to x plus y upon x minus y in this equation. Then we can write here dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y minus 1 upon x plus y upon x minus 1 plus 1, that is dy by dx is equal to, take addition at numerator and at denominator also, then we can write x plus y minus x minus y, that is minus x minus minus plus y divided by this x minus y. At denominator also take addition, x plus y plus x minus y upon x minus y. If we take reciprocal for this denominator term, then this x minus y get cancelled. At the numerator, plus x minus x cancel. At denominator, plus y minus y cancel. Then we get here only dy by dx equal to y plus y 2y upon x plus x 2x. 2y upon 2x. 2 get cancelled. That is, we get dy by dx equal to y upon x. That is derivative for the given function. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Therefore, our answer is option A, y upon x. Now we see next example here. If y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n. Then dy by dx. Now we have to give one answer here, options. Option number first, 2xy upon 1 minus x square. Option B, minus 2xy upon 1 minus x square. Option C, 4xy upon 1 minus x square. And option D is minus 4xy upon 1 minus x square. Okay, we have to find correct option or correct answer. For that purpose, consider this equation y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n. Okay, we can find derivative for this equation by using formula derivative for x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. We have to use this formula to the RHS. Then we can find derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to derivative for this term n into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n minus 1. This is a composite function into derivative of this term f of x. dy dx of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Okay. Now we have to use here division rule for the derivative. Therefore, we can write here dy by dx is equal to n into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 as it is. Here using division rule we can write derivative v as it is 1 minus x as it is into derivative of 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of x is 1. Minus 1 plus x as it is, derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1 upon 1 minus x bracket square. Okay, using division rule we get this answer. That is, we can write here n into in bracket 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 upon, here we can write 1 minus x here, minus into minus plus 1 plus x upon 1 minus x bracket square. Now this minus x plus x get cancelled. Okay, that is, we can write here dy by dx is equal to n into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to n into 1 plus x raised to minus 1 upon 1 minus x raised to minus 1 into here 1 plus 1 2 upon 1 minus x bracket square. Okay, we can split up this index like this. Then we can write this n into in bracket 1 plus x upon 1 minus x bracket raised to n. We can write this as 1 minus x raised to plus 1 upon this term 1 plus x bracket raised to 1 into 2 upon 1 minus x square, x bracket square. Now this 1 minus x, 1 minus x cancel out. Now value for this is y, that is dy by dx is equal to n into y, this 2 into 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x, 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Okay, now we can use here formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, we get 2ny upon 1 square means 1 minus x into x square. This is our correct answer. This correct answer lies in option number A, 2xy upon 1 minus x square. Okay, now this is also asked in example examination.